everyone. You know that feeling, right? That little tickle in your nose, or that scratchy feeling in your throat. You know what's coming. A sneeze or a cough. It's totally natural, something we all do. But have you ever stopped to think about the best way to handle it? It might seem like a small thing, but doing it the right way can make a huge difference for everyone around you. So, let's talk about sneezing first. When you feel that big achoo about to explode, what's your first instinct? A lot of people automatically cover their mouth with their hands. It seems polite, right? But actually, that's not the best way. When you sneeze into your hands, all those tiny droplets land right on your palms and fingers. Then, anything you touch, a doorknob, a phone, or a friend's shoulder, they can get covered in those same germs. Instead, try the vampire cough or vampire sneeze. No, you don't need a cape. Just lift your arm and sneeze right into the crook of your elbow. Your inner elbow doesn't touch much, so it's a great way to catch everything without spreading it around. Another great option is to use a tissue. Sneeze directly into it, and you've got everything contained in one neat little package. The same rules apply to coughing. That persistent little tickle in your throat can be just as tricky. Again, avoid coughing into your bare hands. Go for the elbow, or grab a tissue. A tissue is your best friend when you're feeling under the weather. It acts as a barrier, trapping all those droplets so they don't fly out into the air. Now, here's a super important step that often gets forgotten. What do you do with that tissue after you've used it? Don't just stuff it in your pocket or leave it on a table. Find the nearest trash can and toss it in right away. Getting rid of the used tissue means you're getting rid of the germs for good. It's a simple action that keeps surfaces clean and helps prevent others from getting sick. And the final, golden rule, wash your hands. After you sneeze, cough, or handle a used tissue, it's always a good idea to wash your hands with soap and water. Lather up for about 20 seconds. That's like singing happy birthday twice. If you can't get to a sink, an alcohol-based hand sanitizer is a great backup. By following these simple steps, covering with your elbow or a tissue, throwing tissues away, and washing your hands, you're not just being polite. You're being a public health superhero. You're helping to keep your friends, your family, and your entire community healthy. It's a small effort that has a big, positive impact. Thanks for watching.